Welcome you to the National Secretariat of the party. This will not be the first time that His Excellency, the candidate of the party and the next governor of Anambra State, will be visiting the party. Over the past few weeks, he has really shown that he's a party person. I mean, without sounding immodest, oftentimes, even when I'm in the office, I will see him come into the office and pay quiet visits to staff of the office and some of our colleagues. This is in contrast with the attitude we have seen of late with those we have supported over the years, of those that we supported to position of authority, who didn't remember and even recognize the leadership of the party. By the time I saw that behavior, saw that characteristics, it again confirmed to me that he's really a party person, and he has shown that. We therefore have no doubt whatsoever that he will be loyal to the party, he will be dedicated to this cause if he becomes the governor of Anambra State. I quickly also want to use the opportunity to congratulate the deputy governorship candidates who have just been introduced to us. I know that the governorship candidate is proactive, is hardworking, is dedicated, and he meant very well for the people of Anambra State. And I wasn't expecting that he would pick somebody of less capacity and quality to join in the ticket. And so I am not surprised at the resume of the deputy governorship candidate. I'm also happy that he's a woman, because you will agree with me that over the past few years, we have been in the vanguard of the advocacy for women. And that's why we have made deliberate efforts to see that we promote women, we'll assist them to position of authority. Without sounding immodest, out of the 35 House of Rep members who were having, one of them was a woman. And we made deliberate effort to see that she didn't just get the ticket, but that she won the primaries and also won the election. Out of the 8 senators who were having, even though we have suspended the female now, 1 too was a woman out of the 8. So that will tell you how we have bias in support of women. So I'm happy that the candidates of the party have keyed into this principle of the party. And that's what we have always said. In the First Republic, it is the party manifesto that drives electionary process. Candidates of the party would necessarily implement the ideology, the principle, and program of the party, not their own program. It's only in the Fourth Republic these days that we find that candidates operate independently, operate differently from the party. So I'm again happy that even without being a governor yet, our candidates have started keying into the basic principle of the party by picking a woman as deputy. What has brought Labour Party to the limelight is because of our patriotism, because of our dignity, because of our integrity, and we have it. The party, the crisis we have gone to that we've gone through for the past 1 or 2 years, if not that the party parades integrity, dignity, and patriotism, I believe that no party goes through that and survives it. But we have gone through it and we have survived it. And then we are now moving ahead. And I'm sure that Labour Party is going to make a statement with Anambra governorship election. I want to conclude by reassuring the candidate and the deputy governorship candidates that it's not in our character to betray our candidates. We stand by them through thick and thin. And I'm sure that we have shown that and we have displayed it in the 2023 general election and other subsequent elections. And I'm sure that our behavior will not change at this time. Our people used to say, a dry fish, there's no attempt you make to bend a dry fish that the fish will dry, will bend or will change shape. We're already known for our commitment to our candidates, our dedication to our candidates, and I'm sure that at this time, we will not change. We are going to remain committed, we are going to join you, we are going to support you, and we are going to do everything within our powers to see that you become the governor of Anambra State by the reason. So let me appreciate all members of the